Hi, welcome back to the Dean's Institute. I'm super excited to start a new series. In this series, we are going to learn the terminologies and the concepts, the ideas pertaining to general science. This series is absolutely essential and useful for students who are in higher education, higher secondary school education in any of the country of your choice. Preferably, since I belong to India, so I could say it's very useful for students who are in grade 9, grade 8, 9, or 10, whether it is CBSE, ICSE, GCSE, or any other board, state board, or any other board that you're appearing for. So, today we're going to learn physical properties of a metal. They are eight in number, namely strength, luster, malleability, ductility, sonority, conductivity, melting point, boiling point. I repeat: strength, luster, malleability, ductility, sonority, conductivity, melting point, and boiling point. So, if you want to know what they stand for, what do they mean, uh, in detail. So watch this video till the end. If you've not subscribed till now, please go ahead and subscribe. Press the bell icon for future notifications, and also like and leave your comments to know how what you like about it. Thank you, and let's get started. Okay, so the first property we are going to discuss is the strength. Metals are extremely strong. As you can see, this man using a hammer and is hitting hard in order to make the iron into a shape he wants it to. So basically, the property of a metal to take physical strength, a physical force is there. So that is the first quality is strength. Okay, I mean, yeah, yeah. As you can see in this image, there's a lot of light reflected back. So whenever any source of light is put on a metal, it reflects the light back into the same medium. So this property of light throwing the light back is called luster. Okay, over here as you can see, the metal is being bent. So metals have got this ability which um, can change form from one to another by the use of heat and force, obviously. But it has the capacity to change its original form. So that's malleability. Over here, as you can see, um, they are stretching. So the idea over here is to show that metals have got the ability to get stretched. By using force, you can stretch a metal and flatten it or make it into uh, narrow pieces, like in the case of copper. From copper you make copper wire. So using the ductility property, it is done because it's capable of getting stretched into narrower, from thicker to narrower uh, form. Okay, over here you see a bell, and we know a bell is used to make sound. Yes, that's right. Metals have also got the capacity to make sound. Whenever it is struck against another metal or any other hard substance, it makes some sound, invariably some loud sound. So that is sonority. It has this property inbuilt in it. Okay, over here as you can see, there's a battery and there's a switch and there's light. So you get the idea. Here it is to show that it has the ability to transfer electricity, and I've not used the image for heat, but we know that metals can transfer heat as well. It can be used as a medium to transfer heat. That's why whenever something is being cooked, and if it doesn't have any plastic or any other handle, you can't directly go and touch it because it conducts heat. So it transfers heat uh, from where it is the source of heat. It has heat in it, and it also conducts to the person who's holding it. So therefore we have to use any cloth, or we generally have handles which are made of fiber or plastic to cut that supply of heat. So that's conductivity. All right. And metals have got, invariably metals have got high melting points and boiling points. So at melting points it melts into a liquid. From a solid state it reaches a point and it is capable of turning into a liquid. As you can see, this is cast iron being heated up, and then it is turned into liquid metal. Then it is used for manufacturing various utensils and various things, other things. And it also has a boiling point. uh, Over here it's got melted and you keep on heating it up, then it can also be changed into a gaseous form as well, as you can see in this image. So let's do a quick recap of what we learned today. Has got the strength, which means a physical ability to take physical force. It has the capacity to reflect light back, that is luster. It can be changed into different forms, that's malleability. It can be stretched apart, and that's ductility. It, it's capable of making noise, sound, so that's sonority. It has the capacity to transfer heat or electricity. It has melting point where it can be, from a solid state it can be transferred into a liquid state in order to make different types of stuff. If it is in liquid form, as you know, liquids take the shape of the mold. So if you put it in a glass mold, it becomes like a glass. If you make it a plate, it becomes a plate, so on and so forth. And it can also be boiled in order to convert that into gaseous form. So thank you for watching, and I will look forward to meet you in the next video. Thanks. Bye now.